Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the month of September 2020 and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what are the messages for my Pisces in the coming month of September 2020. 3 shuffles. My tarot angels, my guidance angels, please guide me for my Pisceans in the month of September. Let's see now. All right, so your overall right now your energies are 6 of Cups, which I'm seeing over here. You know, these are those memories, childhood memories, you can say your past love, you can say your child love, you can say whatever, you know, something related to past. So this is really which is right now, which is on the focus. So it is happening with you, something is really going on, but the issue is the family. Okay, so with the 10 of Cups, I'm getting the problem, the issue is more about, you know, if this is a person in your life who is like with whom you are in, or a situation, it can be anything, does not has to be a person always, but it is a situation where, you know, your love is dependent upon your family or something related to the same person, like you are not able to, this person is the love, this person is someone, but you cannot form a family with this person. So this is that energy. Okay, your right now what's your focus is Knight of Pentacles. So you are slow right now, you are not able to move on, you are like standing, you're observing, you are not taking a decision, but you are, yes, you are going to take a decision, but it is more about analyzing some stuff right now. So that is what is in your focus right now. Your past energies are 10 of Swords. So someone might have betrayed you, and that person has come up again. So I'm getting, because this is not a new love, this is more about the past love. So that is why, you know, a betrayal has happened, a deception has happened, might be you or might be the other person who has deceived you, and that person is back in your life. So this is something which is actually related with, you know, you are still holding on. I'm seeing that you are not in a very movement stage over here. The base of the reading is the Fool. So this is like starting a new life, starting a new family, something new. Okay, something really enthusiastic, something a new life, new beginnings, we can say, whatever this is something very promising. I'm seeing that, you know, taking a leap of faith over here. So that is something, the base of the reading, you are ready to enter in this life. I'm seeing with the Page of Pentacles in the future card. So your mind and your future card is telling me that you are going to take it slow. So no more of fast energies I'm seeing. It's more about a slow energy, like taking small steps each time, not going away with it like just in a very much of a, you know, fiery energies when we have. So you are having Pentacles over here, so it's like more of a slow energy. Yes, with the 3 of Wands in your present energy, you are waiting. Either you are waiting for a person or you're waiting for some kind of an offer, you're waiting for something over here. We'll clarify. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups as how people see you. People see you as a beautiful opportunity, or you can say people see you as a new love. Okay, so someone is really ready to offer a new love to you with the Ace of Cups over here. Someone new, this is someone new who is ready to offer you something, you know, a new beautiful love to you. Your hopes and fears are 6 of Swords. So you are fearing that you know, to move on from this person. So that is why you are really you are actually confused, because that is your fear. So you are not sure that whether you should move on or not. So that is why you are actually getting this kind of a fear. Your Nine of Swords in your outcome card. So when you don't know exactly what to do, so this is that level of exhaustion, that level of thinking, like what to do, what to do. So when you are not able to decide, okay, so well, I do not need to clear a lot of cards in your reading. Your reading is quite accurate. So let's see what do we have to clarify. Okay, so let's see why is the Six of Cups over here in your present energies. Okay, Tower is here with the Six of Cups. There was an ending I'm seeing with the past, and that is why, you know, it is an issue, because it has already been ended. So this ending, you know, I think for some of you it is like a continuation of the past with the present, like it was just a recent past, something might have ended, and some kind of because with the Six of Cups it is more about love situation, emotional attachment towards someone. Let's see why is the Ten of Cups over here. Ace of Pentacles. So you know, this new beginning is a problem, you know, it's actually an issue for you, whether, you know, family issues, you're stable, because Ace of Pentacles is all about stable offers, but for you it is an issue right now. It is more about talking about instability in your life. It is more about, you know, sadness, more than happiness. It is about sadness I'm seeing. All right, so let's see why is this Knight of Pentacles in your mind. It is Four of Coins. Okay, so you are still holding on, and really you are not moving on right now. With the Pentacle, with Knight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, your energy is really just staying at a person or a situation. You're not able to move on from something over here. Might be this this betrayal to you which has happened with you. This might be a reason over here. The Fool. Let's see why is it here, the Fool. Okay. Okay, the Fool with the Five of Swords in the base of the reading. It is like, okay, so it is like moving on with someone, or going in a situation where you know you're going to get hurt. So this is that feeling, this is that energy I'm getting. Okay, let's see why the Page of Pentacles is here in your future energies. Six of Pentacles. Okay, what else do we have? Queen of Cups. Okay, okay, so for some of you, you are moving on in a direction where, you know, you are putting you're learning something new, and more than that, you are going to invest. I'm seeing for some of you, you want to invest in something which requires more of a charity basis. So you know, you want to be in an NGO for some time, doing some work as a charitable purpose, doing some social work. I'm really getting that thing in your future. Other than that, we are also having the Queen of Cups, might be dealing with a Cancerian over here, but it is more about that energy where you actually, you know, want to give a love towards a person with whom you are emotionally attached. So that is why, see how this person is offering the Pentacles towards someone who he actually feels, you know, when your emotions talk, basically. That is what the Queen of Cups is here. Let's see why the Three of Wands is here in your energy, present energy, as Three of Wands. Why is it here? Queen of Pentacles. So you are actually waiting for someone, might be a Capricorn over here, but this is more about stability I'm seeing. With the Queen of Pentacles, I'm getting that with the Three of Wands, you know, you're waiting for some kind of a stability. You are waiting for someone who is very mature, who knows how to take decisions in her life or his life, something like that. Okay, so let's see why the Ace of Cups is here from the people around you. So people see you as the Ace of Cups with the Death. So it is like, you know, basically they see you as a different person now. So a change has come up. So that is how people are seeing you. Okay, so let's see why the Nine of Swords is there in your final outcome. Nine of Swords in the final outcome. Why is it here, Nine of Swords? The Chariot with the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so your tiredness, your, you know, not sleeping very good at night, might be you, might be someone else over here, but someone is ready for some kind of a partnership over here, you know, moving on with someone for some partnership. Might be you are relocating. For some of you, you are relocating to a different place for your work purpose as well. So you are moving on, I'm seeing as a final outcome. You are really wanting to put your energies towards something which you feel is very connected with your emotions, you know, emotionally it is very connected. So that is why. But let's see, why is this Six of Swords is here in your hopes and fears? Why Six of Swords is here? King of Pentacles. Okay, what else do we have? What else do we? Okay, King of Pentacles with the Nine of Pentacles. So you are really, you know, that is something you want, a mature, stable beginning, basically a person with whom you feel that kind of level, because you are over here as the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles coming up. It's like a beautiful not passionate, it is a very mature couple. This is very understanding couple over here. So you are moving on. That is your fear is like moving on. But you know, this person that might be you are dealing with might be someone who is very independent, someone who is very, you know, more about self-love, self-care, everything that. And that is why this is the fear in you, that whether someone will actually, you know, you will be able to be with this person or not, whether whatever you are if you are offering this cup, whether it will actually give you the same result as you want or not. Okay, so that's all from my side, my Pisces. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.